Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Stalk My Closet. In today's video, I'm sharing inner palazzo pants and crop top, and for that I have taken this 3-meter plain silk fabric, and this is the measurement I'm using. You can adjust it according to your requirement. And also, if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, then do hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to get the new video notification. और अगर आप हमारे वीडियोस हिंदी में देखना चाहते हैं तो हमारे दूसरे चैनल इजी स्विंग ट्यूटोरियल्स पर देख सकते हैं। चैनल का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में दिया हुआ है। नाउ विदाउट फर्दर ado, let's get started. So this is 3 meters of fabric. Firstly, I'll separate the fabric for bodies. According to the measurement I'm using, I'll get bodies from one length. I'll just fold the fabric twice in width and I'll get both front and back. But if that's not the case for your measurement, you need to cut 2 lengths, one for front and one for back. So just keep that in mind. Now I'll just fold the fabric twice in width. Now I'll mark the length. In my measurement, crop top length is 16.5 inch. I'll take 1 inch extra for seam allowance. So I'll mark a point at 17.5 inch. Join these points and cut it out. Now I'll mark the measurements. For shoulder, take half of shoulder width. In my measurement, shoulder width is 13.5 inch, so half of it is 6.75 inch. Neck width is 3.5 inch. Mark half inch downwards for shoulder slope and join it to the neck width point. From this point, mark half of armhole round, that is 7 inch in my measurement. I'll deduct half inch because this is sleeveless top. I'll extend this point. Mark 1 inch inwards. And join it to the shoulder slope point. From the top, mark a point at 10.5 inch. Shoulder to burst point, 14.5 inch. Shoulder to waist and (16.5 inch) length of top. Extend these points. Now I'll mark the round measurements. For chest, I'm adding 2 inch of ease. In my measurement, chest round is 31 inch. 31 plus 2 is 33, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.25 inch. For burst, I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, burst round is 32 inch. 32 plus 3 is 35, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8.75 inch. For waist, again I'm adding 3 inch of ease. In my measurement, waist round is 28 inch. 28 plus 3 is 31, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 7.75 inch. Now I'll join these points. Give slight curve to this pointed shape and extend waist till bottom with a straight line or slightly slant line like this, adding around 1 inch for seam allowance. Now I'll draw front and back armhole curve. Now I'll draw neckline. Back neck is 6 inch, adding half inch for seam allowance, and front neck is 7 inch, adding half inch for seam allowance. So I'll mark a point at 7.5 inch. Again mark neck width point 3.5 inch and join these points. I'm making round shape for both front and back. So this is a marking for crop top. There are so many variations. You can make princess line, you can add zipper, or you can add darts. I've just kept it for my lehenga choli video. I'll share princess line choli in my upcoming videos. So I've just kept it simple, basic, and now I'll cut it. Before cutting the front neckline and front armhole curve, just separate the back. So this is back. Fold the front again. Now I'll cut front neckline and front armhole curve. So cutting of crop top is complete. Now I'll cut the palazzo. And for that I have cut out the required length, which will be full length minus belt plus seam allowance. In my measurement, full length is 36 inch, belt is 1 inch, and seam allowance is also 1 inch. So 36 minus 1 plus 1 is 36 inch. So I have cut out the length of 36 inch and I have folded the fabric by half in width. Now I'll mark the measurements. Firstly, I'll mark the waist, which will be waist round plus ease divided by 4. In my measurement, waist round is 30 inch. 30 plus 2 is 32, and dividing it by 4, I'll get 8. I'm adding 2 inch more for darts, so I'll mark a point at 10 inch. And I'll also mark the midpoint, that is half of 10, 5 inch. From this point, mark half inch on both sides and mark 4.5 inch downwards. And join these points. Now I'll mark crotch, which will be hip round divided by 3 minus 1. In my measurement, hip round is 38 inch. 38 divided by 3 is 12.5 inch, and 12.5 minus 1 is 11.5 inch. I'll exclude 1 inch for belt and I'll mark a point at 11.5 inch. Extend this point. On the cross line, I'll mark the thigh round measurement. In my measurement, thigh round is 24 inch. I'm adding 2 inch of ease. So 24 plus 2 is 26, and dividing it by 2, I'll get 13 inch. Mark the same waist measurement on this line as well and join these points. Now I'll draw crotch curve. Now join crotch point to the bottom. Now it's your choice if you want to make it straight or you can give slight diagonal shape. So this is the marking for front. Now I'll cut it. So I've cut the front, now I'll cut the back. So for back, again I have cut out the required length and I have folded the fabric by half in width. From the top, mark 2 inch. Now taking this as starting line, I'll place the front pattern. Extend this line till top. Extend crotch for back by 2.5 inch. I'm marking it from this line, so I need to add seam allowance. Here I have extended it by 2 inch. Join it to the waist. Now I'll draw back crotch curve. Extend bottom round by 1.25 inch. Join these points. Adding seam allowance. So this is the marking for back. Now I'll cut it.
So cutting is complete. Thanks for watching guys. Hope you like this video. If you do, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and I'll see you soon. Till then, take care. Bye bye.